In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy hosting and a domain step by step so you can get your website online quickly and confidently. Whether you're starting a blog, a business website, or a personal portfolio, this process is simple once you know exactly what to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the plans and prices section. This is where Hostinger shows all of its hosting options, so take a moment to review what's available. You'll usually see different types of hosting depending on your needs, such as web hosting, WordPress hosting, or other plans depending on what you want to build. Next, choose the type of hosting you want and select the length of your subscription. This part matters because a longer plan can sometimes give you a better overall value, while a shorter plan may be useful if you want to test things first. Take your time here and pick the option that matches your budget and your website goals. Once you've decided, click the Choose Plan button on the hosting plan you want to buy. After that, Hostinger will take you to the next step, where you'll see an option to secure your domain. This is one of the best parts of buying hosting through Hostinger, because you can often get your domain and the hosting set up in the same place. Now it's time to search for your desired domain name. Type in the name you want for your website and check the available options. If your first choice is already taken, don't worry. You can usually try a slightly different version or choose another extension that still fits your brand. When you find the domain you want, select it and move forward. After that, choose the domain period. This is the registration length for your domain, and it's important to make sure you pick the time period that works best for you. At this point, you should be able to see your invoice, which shows a breakdown of everything you're buying. Review it carefully so you know exactly what's included before you pay. If you have a coupon code, this is the time to enter it. That can help reduce the total cost if you have a valid discount. Once everything looks correct, click Continue and pay to complete the order. After the payment goes through, your hosting plan will be activated and your domain purchase will be confirmed. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy Hostinger hosting and a domain in just a few simple steps. From here, you can start setting up your website, installing WordPress, and building your online presence. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.